What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. This is a 2007 Ford Fusion, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out and install a new one. This is your first time tuning in. Please consider subscribing, because these are the type of things that I like to do. Car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. If you want to be a furthermore supporter, that Patreon link is down in the description, where you get that behind-the-scenes footage, baby. Chance to win some car audio. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. This one's actually pretty simple, because this whole piece just comes off. So what we want to do is we do want to be careful, because they got clips right there. So we're just coming in, popping them clips out. I'm doing this with one hand, so I know y'all be careful. But yeah, get that top clip. Boom. All right, now that we got that off, we really don't need to disconnect any of those things. We just slide that to the side, because all we have now is 4 7mm that's holding that radio in. So let's take those out. All right, 4 7mm down, radio slides out like that. Going to disconnect the antenna, wire harnesses, all that stuff. So as y'all can see, we have that radio out. We disconnected all the harnesses. Now let's get over here to this bench and get the dash prepped, get the thing wired up, and then shoot, we'll be back inside the car. All right, y'all, so we're over here on the test bench, and we got our radio, we have our dash kit. Now don't worry about it, I will have all these links in the description for you guys, so you know the products that I'm using. This is the 995815 dash kit made by Metro. And first things that we want to do with this, like I said before in other videos using this kit, this dash kit has 2 different mounting options. The ones that we're going to use for the Ford Fusion is for the front, so we need to cut these ones in the back off. So I'm just going to take my cutters and just start cutting these off. All right, so now that we have those cut off, we want to take our dash kit. Remember, this notch right here needs to go at the bottom. That's how you know that that's the bottom. And we want to take our right side, and these 2 little pieces are going to slide in these holes right here. All right, so what you want to do is you want to slide it in, fold it just like that. Or they are labeled. They do have a R and L for left and right. So let's try it again. Go on this side. Slide it in. And then they're going to snap right here. Once you have those snap, all you have to do is slide in front of the radio. So now that it's on the radio, we're going to take the screws that came with the deck and put 2 on each side. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, guys, so there you have it. 2 screws on the right, 2 screws on the left. That thing is secure. So let's get this thing wired up and get it back inside the car. All right, y'all, so we're back inside the car. Now, if you've been rocking with me for a minute, you already know what it is. But this is your first time tuning in, then you're probably thinking, why didn't I go over the wiring? Well, here on this channel, we like to keep things short, sweet, straight to the point, baby. And if I go over the wiring each and every time I do one of these, it's going to add 5 to 10 minutes to every video, and I don't want to waste anybody's time. So for the people who don't know how to wire up a radio, I've made one video showing you guys how to do that. That link is in the description. There's also going to be some cards in the corner, and in that way, for the people who know how to wire up a radio and you just need to know how to take this one out, you get what you need. For the people who don't know how to do any of that, you get what you need with the radio removal, and you have a secondary resource on how to wire up a radio. Now, if you're part of our Patreon community, I do go over the steering wheel controls with you and some other behind the scenes exclusive footage, so don't miss out on that once I post that video up. And that's just for the people who want to further support the channel and keep this channel free, and just kind of help me, motivate me to keep doing what I'm doing. Also, you can win some free stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing pushed back in here, and I'm sure what it looks like when it's all said and done. Alright, guys, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done, man. If you guys find any type of value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links are in the description. Patreon links are in the description. Until next time, it's your boy JP, signing out.